Welcome! Today I am with Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on your display in the smartphone. So at the first you have to prepare a good source of light. We have to see a very mess that we have on our display. As you can see, in my case it looks like that, so there's a couple of the fingerprints and other things like dust. Right now you have to open your tempered glass box, and of course we will find glass and also two wipes. There's the wet and the dry. At the first we are going to use the wet one, so let's open it just like that. And unfortunately this one, it's dry, it's not wet, so you can use something like window cleaner, apply it on your wipe, put it a little bit, don't take too much because it will be hard to remove it from your display. And right now take a look, we have to make moves like that and the circle. Remember to reach a very corner, and unfortunately in my case here I have the warranty stickers and I cannot remove it, so it is not going to stick that bad and that good, but you know, I just cannot remove it. So we'll stay with those stickers, but the installation process looks the same, so don't mind about that. Next, open the dry one and make the same moves. We have to simply remove fingerprints, dust and other mess that we have on the display to apply our glass properly. Okay, right now it looks fine. And right now we have to grab our glass, and as you can see here we got the sticker, so we have to remove it just like that. We have to peel it like that, and oh, right now it comes with the film, with this film, but sometimes happen that this film doesn't follow with the sticker, so you have to remove this film manually. You have to put your fingernail on the edge, take a look just like that, and right now it comes out. So don't worry about that, if something like that happens, just be patient and do what I'm saying. Right now we have to keep holding the bottom part like that and put it on the upper section of the display. Okay, keep holding the bottom part still and be sure that there is in the good position right here and right here. And take a look also here. So if it looks like that, just make it similar and just put it like that. Everything is fine right now. I'm going to move it a little bit on the right side and take a look. We can, for example, make that move and it will goes automatically. Okay, as you can see, we have to press here and here also. But as I said, there we got the stickers, the warranty stickers that I cannot remove, and here we got the air under the stickers, but in your case, without the stickers, everything will be fine, like on these edges, right? So basically that's how we can apply tempered glass on your display in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel. So yeah.